But when we were kids, I remember eating that stuff. But it was all kinds of terrestrial mammals. So any kind of mammal and even bird. So
okay. I didn't know that.
Yeah, so,
I didn't know that.
Yeah, at least that's
no one
that's
gets
the classic
it.
Catholic I would.
You're not that invested in the history.
Did you not see the lane shift?
I don't think I care. Is
You not see the lane shift? You almost hit me.
Anyway. Right. And so if I knew the origins of your silly tradition, I don't think it would make it any less silly.
The two Red Bulls of Max Verstappen and Sergio Perez now coming out.
Enters then for Mercedes and Red Bull. They think they can clear that water.
Nice to see him come out onto the track. There's that.
I wonder if there are parking spots nearby.
I wish our governor would step up and see very clearly how important
What the
the
fuck?
vaccines are. I think that
Nice parking spot.
hey, loading and unloading.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Dude. What the fuck? Wrong way! God. You are stupid.
I went and looked up the Salk Institute article, and like at the very beginning of the article, they linked to the full text of the article.
Oh, so you were able to find it through your normal means?
Yeah, so we'll link it in the show notes and everybody can read it.
Yeah, feel free to share this with Heather Hang. Hey, I found this easily.
Yeah, I mean, the only thing I can think, it's a kind of art, it's very brief. It's a very
Double parking isn't parking. You can park right there.
Are you a cop?
I clicked on that link and just assumed that couldn't be the full article.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, it's like, it's
He's charming and adorable because this actor is just a fucking creeper and thinks that this is charming and adorable, right?
Oh yeah. And also everybody who made this movie is Sarah can't decide if she wants to go hang out with
Good job yielding to pedestrians.
Fuck you, motherfucker! I'll fucking kill you!
and goes to the church to ask them about it. How is that concept for you?
Kiss my fucking ass!
Like, I was so confused by this whole thing. And he's like, I'm listening intently to this really privileged problem. And meanwhile, the woman who works at the church is like,
Take some anger management, dude.
a phone call from a dying.
You're not a clown, you're the entire circus.
Wow, cheater.
Demolish the Kaaba to get weapons that are being stored in the Kaaba.
Jesus Christ.
And then
A huge thanks to all of you who have already donated. And if you're able to
Whoa!
now is the time to do it. Please.
God. That's a great parking spot. If only there was some available right next to you.
Financing, and he kind of needs a buddy to go with him to the store for confidence. Clearly, he needs a co-signer. But
Oh my God.
it's just a giant lie because Johnson has to tell a new story.
No,
Each time he goes on
that's
one of
not
these
okay.
shows. Go fuck yourself. There's a painting. Right? So, Atari, Nolan Bushnell, invented, first he did computer space, we're not going to talk about it. He invented a video game called Pong in 1972. They tested at a bar called In.
Wow.
They had to send out a service technician because
Cut off another driver right in front of a cop.
So overflowed
Cop doesn't do shit.
that it caused.
so nobody had hired her to do this. She's just suing so that she can know. She doesn't want to do it. Literally suing.
The Solicitor General said that if she did actually
No parking anytime. What does that mean?
I don't know.
Clearly you don't.
Newman filed a brief. Your lawyer filed a brief. You probably will not see a motion to strike this because the brief is
safe
bad
vehicle.
But these were a criminal case in which a defendant is accused of a sexual assault. The court may admit evidence that the defendant committed any other sexual assault. Evidence
You're
may
an
be
idiot.
considered on any matter to which it is relevant.
Fuck
Okay?
you.
So that whole balancing unduly prejudicial stuff that we talked about, 403, 404, would not have been an issue if this were in federal court, right? The testimony of the prior victims would have been admitted. Period. Take that argument off the table. Now you might ask, how do you get into federal?
What the fuck? Dude. Oh my god. No. What the fuck? Really? You're just gonna stop right here? Nice parking spot, dude.
Indictments arose from what something that came out of the Mueller investigation was handed off to the Eastern District of New York. And of course, these are
What are you
sources
doing?
that are familiar with the matter. I won't clarify that. I haven't seen the document.
Right about here.
Yeah,
But
Alright, so there you go. You have a great day. You're welcome.
And just submit all the stuff that he says is okay and see how he grades it. And before we head up this segment on duty, I want to read you a thread. It's a short thread. I wrote this in September of 2020. And it's this thread, Beams. This one's called Rudy's Going Down or Van Graff's Coming Out. There are a lot of dots to connect here, so grab your murder boards and let's get started. We learned today, this is back in September, the CIA believes
process that if someone is spoken about as having been an actual person, that you begin by assuming that they're an actual person. You're asking me what evidence
down the middle of the road.
Real person. I'm telling you they don't have any. This is a default assumption that because someone was written about as if they were.
It is not going to get better, and I have to protect myself and my family and my sanity because if, people aren't doing what they need to do to
Wow.
we're human bots, we're not machines, we can't continue to do this forever at this capacity.
Gorgeous. Oh my god. You're an idiot.
True. Good point. Winning. So.
intact.
Oh my god. Seriously.
Which is losing you 10. Thank you very much indeed. Tom Cruise is talking to Harrison Ford, and I can't lip read because they've got the masks on, Martin. But I think the conversation is Tom Cruise saying,
That's a great parking spot. Good job.
Not with that, look,
Who cares? You're in the way.
Mission Impossible film. I'm not doing this. It's a dangerous job, and Max Verstappen going to the medical centre now, and the stewards are investigating the incident between.
Be a little nicer.
Scared. Hunky was in the room with them the whole fucking time. So, but they leave for the gala. Then we get the kidnappers plotting their getaway. Now, one of the kidnappers is going to pretend to be a slash
What the
valet
fuck?
driver.
There was another $100 bill in the third bag of chips. So the Lord prospered.
That's a gold mine.
Yeah.
Parking is hard.
That's bullshit. That's what we call.
Wow. What are you doing? You're a genius. Don't do it. You're a fucking idiot. What are you doing? Passenger was so upset.
Yeah. Even if you want to put a big filter on that and say, tip lines tend to, have minimal efficacy. You can put whatever error bars you want on it. For us,
Hey asshole! There's a bike lane over here.
Deliberately deceptive.
Maybe use that rather than running people over.
And then if we need it, we can grab it off the bus. But then when things turn really hairy, and everyone who was coming over from
Can't park here.
Rally started,
This is a road.
Sieging the Capitol.
All right, you're gonna get a ticket. No parking anytime.
No one knew where the key was, and so all
I drive through here all the time. I have to worry about it.
having to engage in basically hand-to-hand combat.
Ooh, whatever. I do what I want.
Any of the body armor is part of the reason that.
Really intensely circling around.
Yeah.
And so anyway, yeah.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Wildly outrageous. Well, of course, the developers of the game, they're called Epic Games. They made a statement. Right now, you very likely have one due to the operation of RFRA, right? The Religious Freedom Restoration Act. But that's at least a law, right? Like, it has limits. This would say, oh no, regardless of whether there's a
From here in Boston, thank you very much for joining us tonight.
Thank you.
Whether it's the politics of climate change, the effects of state marijuana laws, or the challenges of racial injustice, get your daily dose of enlightening articles at MSNBC Daily. Written perspectives by people you know and trust, like Alicia Menendez, tackling the issue of immigration, Mehdi Hassan, weighing in on voter suppression, and Frank Bigwitz,
what are you doing?
writing about national security.
You can't park this,
huh? Steele offering his take on the Republican Party, Liz Plank commenting on gender issues, and others. Plus, a fresh take every morning from me, Hayes Brown.
My God.
Start your day with MSNBC.
You're such an
Daily
idiot.
at MSNBC.com.
How does anything work? Ugh.